In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide prices in WooCommerce. Whether you're running an online store and want to display products without showing their prices, or you're simply setting up your site for wholesale purposes, this is a quick and effective solution to achieve that. WooCommerce is a fantastic tool for online businesses, but sometimes you may want to customize the way information is presented to your customers. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to hide prices on your WooCommerce store with ease, no coding experience required. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website, and it's where we'll make all the changes. Simply enter your credentials, and once logged in, you'll be taken to the WordPress admin area. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Appearance. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where you can control how your website looks and functions visually. From here, you'll want to select the option called Customize. Clicking on this will take you to the WordPress Customizer, which is a live editing tool that allows you to make changes to your site and preview them in real time. Now that you're in the Customizer, you'll see a menu of options. Look for the one that says Additional CSS and click on it. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a kind of code that controls how your website looks. And in this case, we'll use it to hide the prices on your WooCommerce products. Don't worry if you've never worked with CSS before. This process is super simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. The next thing you'll need is the specific CSS code snippet that will hide your WooCommerce product prices. If you already have the code, great. If not, you can easily find it online from trusted sources or documentation related to WooCommerce. Just make sure you're using accurate and up-to-date code. Once you have the code, carefully copy it. When copying, double-check to ensure there are no mistakes, like missing brackets, extra spaces, or incomplete lines. Even a tiny error in the code can prevent it from working properly, so it's worth taking this step slowly. Now, go back to the customizer where you selected Additional CSS. In the text box provided, paste the code you just copied. It's as simple as that. Once the code is pasted, you should see the changes take effect immediately in the live preview panel on the right-hand side of the screen. This allows you to verify that the prices on your WooCommerce products are hidden as intended. After confirming the changes in the preview, it's a good idea to double-check your website's product pages directly. Open up a new tab, navigate to your WooCommerce store, and make sure the product prices are no longer visible. This extra step ensures everything is working correctly and gives you peace of mind before making the changes live. Once you're happy with how everything looks, return to the WordPress Customizer and locate the Publish button at the top. Clicking this will save your changes and apply them to your website. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the prices on your WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.